see the tweets, go ahead and give them a shout out with us here on your TV.
Just got some breakfast, and I didn't get a chance to clean the bike off last night because it was raining when we first got here, and then it was just, the bike was warm when we got back from dinner last night, so I'm hoping this cab doesn't run me over. Anyway, get the bike cleaned up and we're gonna hit the road and head to Albuquerque. Currently at Starbucks in Flagstaff, Arizona to pick up the Arizona Starbucks mug, which she already saw that they have inside, so thus starts our collection over. Okay, so I received a few questions on the Starbucks Are You Here series mugs and how we were able to get all of them home on the motorcycle from this trip. So far you've seen 3 of them: Illinois, Kansas City, and St. Louis. We also picked up Colorado while we were in Colorado Springs. We also crossed paths with my aunt and uncle who were also on a motorcycle trip across the country. So they took those 4 mugs home for us, so we had more room on the bike to pick up some more. And just so you can keep count for the rest of the videos, there's going to be a Starbucks mug counter in the bottom left-hand corner. And now back to your regular scheduled programming. No mugs? They say anything else? Day 6, riding complete. We're going to eat. We're in Albuquerque.
I'm hungry.
This is about as good as we're going to look on this trip. One of the few times where we haven't just pulled helmets off our heads. WVU sticker in the back glass. Mexico mug. Attempt number 2. don't know if the camera can pick this up because it's so bright enough. It seems like a direct ripoff of Better Call Saul. The guy even looks like an asshole. Son of a bitch, we're like a couple blocks from the restaurant and now this. It better be a real train. Yeah, I guess it is a real train.
Oh, it's a short one. Thank God. Not one of those damn cargo.
No, I don't know why it's in the sidewalk. Way to go, Albuquerque. This is Kristen being weird.
I'm just happy.